little friends! Welcome back to Eva Central. Today, we're going on a number adventure with our quiz game. Are you ready to count and learn? Let's go! Get ready for some number questions. Shout your answers out loud. Let's get started. How many wheels does a bicycle have? Does it have 2, 3, or 4? Yes, it has 2 wheels. Bicycles need 2 wheels to stay balanced. Can you balance on one foot? How many legs does a bird have? Does it have 2, 4, or 6? That's right! Birds have 2 legs. They use their legs to walk and perch on branches. What is 1 plus 1? Is it 1, 2, or 3? Yes, it's 2. If you have 1 apple and add 1 more, you have 2 apples. You're super counters. Now let's play a true or false game. Ready? A square has 4 sides. True or false? True. Fun fact: all the sides of a square are the same length. You have 5 toes on each of your feet. True or false? True. Fun fact: can you wiggle all your toes? Yay! You're all number experts. Give yourselves a big clap. You're amazing. Thanks for playing with me on Eva Central. Come back for more fun quizzes soon. Bye-bye.